What is up there, everybody? Citrus Aviation here for another video. And today I have a very special announcement to make, and you might be able to tell by the change of scenery, this is not Ohio anymore. That ain't Ohio. This is Salt Lake City, Utah, and I moved here for a new job opportunity. So today I'm going to tell you the process that I went through to pick the job, the company that I'm working for, and what all that means for this YouTube channel. So let's get started with this video here. And just look at that. The views from this place, this is my new place. The views are amazing. Look at that. I get to look at that every single day. I mean, I can't complain. This is great. So let's get started with who I got hired with and why I picked them. Alright, so why did I choose Breeze Airways? Well, Breeze Airways is a ULCC or ultra low cost carrier. They operate the ERJ-190, ERJ-195, and Airbus A220. And they are a rapidly growing and expanding company. Their headquarters is based out of Salt Lake City, Utah area, specifically Cottonwood Heights. They got a super nice office building. Been to it, it's fantastic. And one of the reasons I chose Breeze Airways. So you might wonder, why did I move from Commute Air in Cleveland, Ohio to Breeze Airways in Salt Lake City, Utah? Very long drive, by the way. Very long drive. 3 days, about 25, 26 hours, depending on how you do it. So I picked Breeze Airways because of several factors. One, the people there are super nice. They emphasized in the interview that culture is a very big thing to them. They want people who are friendly, who are nice, who will be a good culture fit for their company. And I felt that I would be able to fit that culture really well. And so I picked Breeze Airways because of that. But also they operate axle mainline aircraft, such as the Airbus A220-300. And they're eventually going to have 80 of them with options for 40 more. So I think they will eventually end up having somewhere around 120 A220s, which would be a massive fleet. And they're modern, nice aircraft to fly on. I flew on one between Las Vegas and Akron. Great flight, great experience. The aircraft are nice. They won't have as many like weight and balance issues as like the RJ-145 did. So it's a nice aircraft. And they operate a lot of charters for college football teams and other college teams, just college programs in general, which is very exciting to me because I love college. I love college sports and the college experience. So I was like, okay, I get to operate college charters on the E-Jets, which is pretty cool. And so that's another reason why. And I also picked it because Salt Lake City area here is really nice. Since I moved out here, I have come to love it so far. It's so awesome. There's so much fun stuff to do. The views out of my windows here are amazing. It's such a great place. And they offer the decent pay scale. So I took it, and I'm very happy with picking Breeze Airways. I did turn down a couple companies, but I am very happy with the selection I made, and Breeze Airways is going to be a fabulous company to work for. Another reason I picked Breeze Airways is they are a recent airline, new company with excellent funding, funded and started by David Neilman, who's had many successful airlines, including WestJet, JetBlue, of course, the most well-known, Azul, and now he has Breeze Airways. I think he started 5 or 6 airlines total. And so he's had a huge success with these airlines and the companies they started, with all of them becoming profitable. And so picking Breeze, I was like, okay, I can pick a new company that I know is going to be around for a while. This is a company that will have a lot of success, and I can work for them and enjoy my experience. So Breeze was a really good option because of that. So I'm happy with that selection. They're going to have a lot of future, and because they're a fairly recent company, I don't have to be as concerned about people who have like 15 plus years of seniority ahead of me. I think the most seniority of anyone at Breeze Airways has about 3 years of seniority. So that's not a lot, particularly in the airline industry. Well, you'll go to a lot of places, you'll see people with 10, 15, 20, 25 or more years of experience. And so promotion is often picked based on experience. And so as a result, I could be able to qualify promotion much quicker, and they are also a company that is rapidly expanding. So there's much more opportunities for career growth at Breeze Airways than some other companies that are not in such a rapid expansion and aren't as recent of companies. So I'm really happy to pick Breeze Airways for those reasons, and I'm very excited to dispatch for them, and it's going to be a great experience. Day one at Breeze Airways is now complete. It has been a massive success. Breeze Airways has been amazing so far. Day one, we did in-dock, completed some paperwork and such that we need to do, and then we got to tour the IOCC, which is the airline's terminology for the operations center. And then we had lunch and we started doing all of the PowerPoint presentations, etc. that I have to watch for the initial training, which is required as part of the ground school. So day one, huge success, fantastic. Love the people I've met there so far. Everyone's super nice, super friendly. The company is great. The slogan for Breeze Airways is seriously nice, and they definitely demonstrated that on my very first day at Breeze Airways. I'm super happy, love the company so far, having a great time, and so that is day one at Breeze Airways. I really liked it so far. I'm looking forward to see where it goes and where my career here at Breeze Airways as a dispatcher goes. So day one, great success, very happy with it so far. I figured I might as well finish off the video here on my phone, just like do a sort of recap of what to expect from the YouTube channel, from things moving forward. So far Utah has been awesome. I love the state of Utah. It is a beautiful state, and I'm loving Breeze Airways so far. I've been working now for them for a week and a half. Love the company, love the people I work with. They're very friendly, very understanding. It's a good work culture so far. What can you expect for the YouTube channel and for my career? Well, one, working at Breeze Airways for the foreseeable future and being a dispatcher, and they have a ton of opportunities for career growth, as I mentioned before. So if I want to be a duty manager or move up in some leadership role at some point in the future, I could do that. But also, the company has a really good work culture. Super nice people there, very nice environment. You can get along with your coworkers really, really well. They're very nice, understanding, and people hang out all the time after work, which is great. In terms of YouTube videos, what you can expect is that videos will be about once a week for now, because of the training that I have to go through. I have to go through ground school, and then I have to do on-the-desk training. So I have to complete that, and then I have to go and pass the comp check and also do my jump seat flights, which are very exciting. I love to fly in a jump seat. So that'll be great. And then after that, after I pass all that, I'll get my regular schedule, get a regular routine, and start making videos once again. I'm still trying to settle in here to my apartment. So you can kind of see, it's a nice apartment. I love the kitchen, super nice kitchen, very nice kitchen. And it's got an island too. All modern appliances here. And I'm like standing in front of my island right now. Just super nice, very great apartment. I love this place. The views here are amazing too. So that's what you expect videos about once a week for now, for the next month and a half. And then should be able to get back to some sort of regular consistency. I do have a lot of my collection here though, actually, which I think I'll go ahead and show you guys. But a lot of my collection is here, but not all of it. Much of it is, but not all of it. And I'll be able to start making model airport videos again and that sort of thing. But do patient. I gotta finish my training for my company, and then I can start focusing when I have free time on videos. Of course, meeting new people here and such is also another high priority for me. And because I do like to have an active social life, and that sort of thing does matter to me. So a social life and being able to have a nice work-life balance and being able to do YouTube videos. That's why like sometimes my social media posts get reduced quite a bit. So that's like, for example, once I only post to Instagram maybe once a week or so, and YouTube's gonna be the same way for a while. And it just is what it is when you're trying to have a life, you have a walk, you have friends, you have other things that you're trying to do. It just is what it is. And I'm trying to have like a nice work-life balance to where I enjoy my life instead of just walking all the time or doing just one thing all the time. So that's why YouTube videos will be a little bit slow for now, but they'll be coming back in consistency, probably starting early 2024. But so far it has been a very good year. And I really do appreciate all of you following for supporting the channel. And it's been a great time so far. I thought while I'm over here, I might as well show you some of my models. They're all over here, got a ton of them. And yeah, so my plans are for the YouTube to continue on and to start making regular content in January. As I mentioned before, I have one of my shelves display cases here. I have to go pick up the other one. It's at a friend's place in Ohio, so I do have to drive back there at some point and pick it up. But regular videos probably starting back in January. For now, just expect one a week for now while I get through all this. And then I get done and then can get back to regular content. So hopefully y'all understand that, but I do appreciate all your patience and nice messages. I'm recording this on Thanksgiving. I am about to go to someone's house and they invited me over for Thanksgiving, so I'm very excited about that. Thank you so much. And I'm already meeting new people, making new friends here, so it's gonna be a good time. This video's coming out on Black Friday. Be safe and don't do anything stupid. Enjoy the weekend of college football. Got great games this weekend. And I hope you all had a wonderful Thanksgiving. And once again, thank you all so much for watching these videos and for supporting the channel. By the way, the t-shirt I'm wearing is the Delta t-shirt. This is for the A220. I bought this at the Airlines International Convention for only $5. And the reason why it was only $5 is there was an error made on it. As you can see, there are no windows on the A220. So that's a printing error that they made. And so as a result, they're selling this up $5. And I love the Delta A220s. And the salt's pretty cool. I'm looking forward to getting some Breeze Airways stuff. They have some great swag in their store. And they have some really good merch. So I'll be getting some Breeze Airways stuff too. So that's basically it for this video. I want to thank you all so much for watching. Have a great rest of the day. God bless you.